Hi there, welcome to my channel. You see about the thing on the screen, right? Alright, our program that we're going to make today. This program has a shadow, a physics, a bouncy kind of thing, a friction, and gravity, okay? So, what, look, I'll give you an example, okay? So, what we'll do today is we'll make a console application. This application is totally console application. Okay, this whole thing is just characters. See, this whole thing is just characters. Okay, and there's shadow. We can also turn on the shadow. So look now the frame rates are a bit more than before. Okay, um, yeah. So today what we're gonna do is we'll make a box and around that we'll make an obstacle, we'll have a light source, we'll give this box gravity, we'll give this obstacle a friction, and we'll give this box a bouncy kind of effect. And yeah, and we'll make some shadows relative to the light. I've already written this code, of course. I'll just go through them. Okay, first the list of ground, the list of sky. These are essentially this portion, that's the sky, the portion that we don't want to interact with. And the list of ground is this thing, uh, this whole kind of thing. Then we're defining the character position. That's the character for the box. And then we're defining the obstacle. The obstacles are this portion, and we're extending the uh, before grounds so that it is added to the obstacle, and we make sure of that. We took a variable for gravity, gravity y, gravitational force y, that's one, and ax I have taken it as air, I mean wind, that's zero, so there is no wind. There's velocity for the box uh, along the y-axis and velocity along x-axis. That's force. There's some variable that I use. It can be related. Shadow and graphics. This portion denotes to this part. So if I press J, the graphics will be turned on, and if I press S, the shadow will be turned on. See the shadow here. So this portion denotes to that. This part, graphics and shadows on and off. Now while true, that's our while loop, and that is the main loop of application. Then we have taken some case, enter, escape, space, left, up, right, and down arrow, and K, G, and S. G and S for this part, and up, down, left, and right is for moving the box like this. Oh my god, so slow. I have used WinTouch 2 API here. So I have taken WinTouch 2 API as W. Later, I have defined the buttons functions. That's the graphics turned on and off and shadows turned on and off. Then I have defined the left, right, up, down case function that will help move the box along y-axis, let's see, have velocity is -3 and x-axis. Then we're taking how much time it should wait if a button is pressed, so that it can give too much input at a certain amount of time. Then I define the first y first x also, and the velocity y and velocity x of the box, this box, and the later part, it just defines the Newton's third law here. I have defined Newton's third law, that friction is this part. I think gravity is, let me see, gravity, well, it's in there somewhere. It's been a while I've written this code. And then the next part is the ray trace. I have named this ray trace. There's no need for you to call it ray trace. I just named it so that it is just easier for me. So what it is doing is there's a light source here, and it is tracing what the shadow should be. Say dispersion. This is calculating almost pointation. It has I think 10 million kind of calculations going through. So that is why it is so slow. Then we come to the display part. Okay, let me turn on the graphics for a bit. So say this whole thing is nothing but a command line characters. Say that a special character, that hash, and that's a space character, and that's a dash. Okay, so I have the display. This portion is for displaying the frame rate. The frame rate is what you are seeing here. The frame rate now it is 2 frames per second. Also, this portion has the velocity x and velocity y that is shown here. The next part, it works with some graphics, okay? Graphics of shadow that we have defined before. If graphics true, then do this. If graphics false, then do this. Then the display of characters. This portion. Okay, our character is this box. This box only. This part, what you see is I have used a library colored, this one, and I have given a background color and foreground color to this character. So that is why when I turn on the graphics, it will remove the characters and it will show just the background colors. See, see this box, how it is changing the light. So this is essentially that. 0 to 8, 8 to 16 is the distance. So, for this distance, show this bright color, and for this distance, show a bit of darker color, and for this distance, show a more darker color, like here. This is brighter color, a less brighter, and has much more darker color. So these codes essentially do that. This person is displaying an obstacle. Now what is our obstacle? Obstacle is this person. Let me turn off the graphics. Obstacle is this person. this portion, and this portion. So that is displaying that on the screen. And that the next one is display of character shadow. So our character shadow is this one. See? Okay, let me move the box a bit. Yeah, this is very slow. Okay, this is the shadow part that has been calculating. Okay, and this portion is playing the background. What is the background here? Our background, you can't see it like this, but when it go to the graphics mode, this portion is the background in this back. This whole thing, we're storing it in a string D, and then we're printing it. And before that, we're clearing the screen CLS, which I have defined here. So then, it's pretty cool, except for the fact that it is giving me 2 frames per second. It's ridiculous. So to solve this, I have written the same program in C++. You see, this is where multiple language, the knowledge multiple language comes in handy. Like, it is the same code as Python, but I have just converted it into C++. One thing that I'll also tell you is when I worked on this project on C++, I didn't really know any C++ code, how to write them. What I did was I just started to convert this Python code, how how do I convert this list, how do I convert this list to C++, what is it in C++. I researched it a bit on the internet, and I got used to it. That's how you learn. Then that is why I think you should start with a simple, simple programming language, because essentially all of the programming languages are kind of the same. Yes, they have much more restrictions relatively compared to each other. Okay, so in so this program is written in C++. Look how fast it is, right? It should be satisfactory. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.